Hey, here we go. An unboxing of the cheapest remote control car from a budget shop or budget store. It's this bad boy. It's a Motormania remote control ATV quad rider. 6+ years. So that's cool, because I'm 6+ years. Comes in blue, nitro blue or Firestorm. I've got in Firestorm, which is red. What else we got on here? Oh, it's got a old-fashioned remote control on it. Yes, everything's adjustable. Does not include batteries. Nothing ever does. Forward, turn, backward. Controller. Right, let's have a look then. Let's have a look at this beast. It cost me £5, which is about $8, is it? On my other videos, I've been having the wrong way round. Of course, I've been saying for every $10, it's £7, but I was saying it was $7 is £10. Whoops. So I've been giving you the wrong information. So I suppose you could sue me. Doubt it though. Because the judge would say, what? Cool. Max is over there playing with Spider-Man. Say hello, Max. We got a stamp off Tony Huang here. Cool. Comes from China. Place of issue, Guangdong, China. Name, Tony Wang. Thank you, Tony. Oh, I made it sound like he gave it to me. Which he didn't. Right. There's the old beast. For sale? No, not really. There's a little Mario remote control. I'll do a little video on that. In fact, no, I'll do another video on it. I need my pliers. My little pliers. Do you fancy turning down Spider-Man, Max?
Try that.
Oh, that's a cool suit. That's a cool suit. Good God. Alright. Oh, look at me, I've got to turn the little... Oh, I was hoping to cut it. Okay. Let's be less violent then. Okay. Here's the controller. Oh, look at the quality in it. God. It's got numbers on it. Oh. Revs per minute. Goes the wrong way around. And what's this? Kilometers an hour. Oh, kilometers an hour. So this car goes 260 kilometers an hour, which is roughly about, I don't actually know, what's that, 170 something? So this cheap £5 car does 170 miles an hour. Hope there are no speed cameras when I mess about with it. What's this all about? Protect his head. That's cool. That's cool. I've always loved motorbikes. It was my first love. When I was around 2, 3, there was a TV program called Street Talk. Jesse Mark, an off-duty motorcycle cop, injured in the line of duty, then worked secretly for the FBI on his black bike called Street Hawk. It was my favourite. One episode and it got cancelled. It got cancelled because of Dallas. Frickin' Dallas. A soap opera. A damn soap opera. God damn. Anyway, enough of my rant. Let's get into this. Uh-oh. What sort of batteries does this need then? Oh, it looks like they might go into it rather than the usual way round. Nothing like unscrewing just to get into the batteries. Talk about overkill. How long's this screw then? Oh, still going. Ah. La, 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 la. Are we free? We're free. Off with you. Oh no, in there. 4. It's a block of 4 AA batteries. I realise now that I forgot to charge the batteries, but hopefully that little spin in this beast, and I think we'll call it Chet. We'll name this car Chet. Hey Chet! Definitely made in the same place. Righty then. How does this go back in? Which way? Any arrows? Oh, right, I see the... Ah, there. Jolly good. Jolly good. Get this back up. Screw it in. Because we're back in time. Down, 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 down. Anyone see the new Walmart advert? With all the cars, Knight Rider, the DeLorean from Back to the Future, the dog van from Dumb and Dumber. Great advert, I just watched it now. It's cool. Nostalgic as hell. Because of course, I am old. I wish I was a kid again. Well, no I don't, I just wish it was the 90s again. Things were so much... Well, they were less frustrating than they are now with all the Facebook and Twitter and all that. But the best thing about it is YouTube. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, they both go the right way, do they? Okay. Let's go back in. No way, bro. A square battery. Uh-oh. I need a square battery. Do I have one?
Probably not.
I don't know. Let's press pause on this camera for a second. Oh, there is no pause. I'll just have to do another video. We'll be right back. Cut. In action. We're back. Had to go down the shop. I thought I had a square battery, but no, had to go down the shop. So where are we now? Here we go. Lovely. Let's... Oh, why screw it back in? Why screw it, man? As if it's a valuable item. It's a square battery, man. It's a square battery, man. Oh, God. Rushing now. Calm down. Calm down. Make a long video. Because that's what you all want to see. A long video. Nope. Shorter the better, I suppose. That'll do. Now let's locate the on button. This rear wheel drive seems fun too. Right, we'll cool. Funky looking thing, isn't it? £5. This is what you would call, I suppose, a stocking filler. Because it's only, I'd say, 5" or 125mm by 6" 150mm. So that's cool. I'm now going to hand over the camera for the first time to Max to film us outside. Not really going to do a extensive outside session. Got a little patio that I'm going to drive down the steps, and I think I'll crash it into the wall and see what we can do. Let's straighten up the steering. Shall I give everything a tighten, or is everything tightened? Ooh. Tighten the wheels. Hold on, I think they are tight. Yes, they're all tight, the front ones. Tight. Tight like a tiger. Yeah, nice and tight. Oh, look, the driver can come off. Whoa! Bam! Back on you go. Hold on to the handlebars. One-handed. Look, Mom, no hands. No. Handlebars. This aerial is very tuneful, isn't it? Do not cross the streams. Oh, in the eye. Oh, damn, I was hoping that if you turn the wheel his hands would turn, but again, £5. Who's got number 36 on the back? That's how old I am. Dirt Power. This is Dirt Power. Go. Right. So, suppose I'll cut again and we will see you outside. Oh, it's terrible. Be good if you could hold on to the steering wheel. Okay, well, was that £5 wasted? Yes, it was. It was terrible, absolutely terrible. But it's £5, I suppose. I don't know. What do you expect? I mean, it looks so cool. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a screw for his head. His head can come off. It looks cool. It'd probably look cool on a shelf. I suppose it's going to come in handy for spare screws. Because you know what's happened to this, didn't you? I've got a miscellaneous screws. Oops, don't know where they go. Well, I'm going to end up with loads of holes that need screws, so I'll either use the longer ones, the medium ones, or the small ones. But I think this might come in handy. Or maybe with all the crap ones, I could make like a beast of a car. I might even try putting these wheels on if they fit onto the 959. Because these wheels are rubbish. And so are these. I don't know if the hole is the same. Kind of looks like it. It might work, it might not. Who cares? Let's get back to this. Antenna. Like we don't know this is an antenna. Says here, do not chuck it into the bin you want. Right, so that is this then. £5. Was it fun? Let's ask a child of 8. Was it fun, boy? Yeah, it was it? You don't know anything, do you?
I'm controlling.
When I was your age, I had my Nico Venus 3. It was wicked, bomb-proof. I hit everything with that. I hit my friends with it. I hit the curbs, the doors, the walls. Lasted forever. And even when the suspension snapped on the left side, it still went. And I enjoyed it more because I was a little bit older and it was a little bit more challenging keeping in a straight line. I loved it. Max, just wait till we get the A959B. Ask those guys. Unbelievable.
What guys?
The guys on YouTube, man. Anyway, so this is the end of this one. The lesson is, if you need a stocking filler for someone, what did it say the age was? Over
2.
6+ years. No, that's wrong. It should be 6. It should be under 6. So I'd give this to a 3-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 5-year-old. 6 years old, you want to get them a Nico or something wicked. When you get to about 8 or 9, maybe 10, with like a year of messing about with the Nico, get the old 959 or the 949 or 979 or whatever. But who cares? That's the end of that. I'm confuddled with what I'm meant to say now because I was hoping for it to go a little bit faster. Although, I am impressed by these wheels, man. Whoa. The rubber on these wheels feel better than the rubber on the 959 wheels.
Yeah.
They do, don't they? They feel like real rubber, real tyres. Oh well. Let's park it up next to Mario. It's me, a Mario. Right then.
It ain't fucking.
No. That's the end of that. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
And we'll see you again.